Are you looking for a career that gives you flexibility, freedom, and ability to work from anywhere in 2025? Becoming a virtual assistant VA might be a perfect career path for you, whether you have a skill set or not. I will show you exactly how to start your VA career. Stick around because I will walk you through the exact step to success as a VA with the practical tips and free resources so you can use to learn and grow. Don't worry if you are starting from the scratch. I will show you how to launch today. With the world increasing turning into online business, the virtual assistant industry is booming and expected to grow even more in 2025. But the role of VA isn't just about managing emailing or scheduling meeting anymore. It's involved into a highly versatile career that offers specialized service that business crave. And if you are thinking you need a year of experience to get started, think again. Whether you are a complete beginner, you already have some skill. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process of becoming a virtual assistant and start your own thriving VA business. Plus, I will share free resources that will help you to learn everything you need to know. Now, step number 1. Let's start with the basics. What exactly does a virtual assistant do? While many people think of a VA as a simply remote secretary, the role has evolved significantly. Today, we can offer a wide range of services that go beyond traditionally administrative tasks that can include managing social media accounts, providing customer support, creating content, doing SEO for websites, running e-commerce store, and even offer technical support for a various software tool. In 2025, VA role have expanded into specialized niche like video editing, podcast production, AI-based customer service, and more. So the first thing you need to do is identify the type of tasks you enjoy and excel at. If you are not sure whether to start, that's okay. I will show you how you can dive into the VA industry even without previous experience. Now, step number 2. Now, if you are thinking I don't have any skill to become a VA, don't worry, you can still get started today. Many VA begin their career by offering a basic service and learn as they went along. For example, tasks like email management, data entry, or social media monitoring don't require advanced skill, and you are a great starting point. The beauty of being a virtual assistant is that you can grow at your own pace gradually, building your skill set while earning. To help you get started, I highly recommend you to check out my YouTube channel where I demonstrate real VA tasks like data entry, web research, and lead generation through practical live demo. I show you step by step how to complete these tasks in real world situations so you can get hand-on experience from the start. Even if you don't have any skill yet, free learning resources starting with no skill, no problem, I have got covered. And in addition to my YouTube channel, there are tons of free resources available to help you to build your VA skill. Platforms like Coursera and HubSpot Academy offer free beginner course on VA tool including Google Workspace, project management basic, and more. Udemy also has a beginner friendly course for Excel and other essential VA tool. And for other social media management, you can also learn from hot theory courses. If customer support interests you, check out free tutorial on ticket management. Now, step number 3. Let's dive into some of the most in demand skill for a VA in 2025. While basic VA tasks are always in demand, there are specific areas where business are particularly hungry for help. Let's explore some of the hard skills and where you can learn them. Now, number 1 is social media management. Every business needs to be on social media and they need help content creation, scheduling posts, and engage with the customer. Now, where to learn? Book Blueprint offers free courses on advertisement and content strategy. Buffer has also a blog with the practical tips and resources for social media management. Project management. With the rise of remote work, managing projects from a distance has become a crucial skill. Tools like Trello and Asana are widely used in project management. Now, where to learn? Trello offers a free beginner course on how to use the platform. Coursera provides free project management courses by Google, which are excellent for VA. Number 3, e-commerce store management. Platforms like Shopify are growing rapidly, and many businesses need VA to help to manage their online store. Now, where to learn? Shopify My Academy offers free courses on store management, product listing, and customer service. Number 4, content writing in SEO. If you enjoy writing content creation in search engine optimization, SEO are a highly valuable VA skill. Now where to learn? Google SEO Starter Guide offers a free course on SEO basic. HubSpot Academy has a content marketing course that is perfect for beginner. Number 5, automation in AI tool. Is a business as increasingly using automation learning tool like Zipper to automate workflow can help you stand out. Now where to learn? Well, Zipper offers free tutorial and case study to get started. Remember, you don't need to be an expert in everything. Focus on 1 or 2 areas that interest you and start learning those skills. The more specialized you become, the higher rate you can charge for your service. Now step number 4. So how do you get started your first few clients? It's all starting with the building your portfolio and gaining that essential experience. Here how to do it. Number 1, start with the free or discount work. Offer your service at discount rate or even for a free to a friend, family, or small businesses in exchange for testimonial and portfolio work. This gives you the real world experience you need. Number 2, create a simple work. If you are aiming for a specific niche, create a mock project to showcase your skill. For example, design some social media post or manage a mock project in a trailer to demonstrate your ability. Now number 3, join freelancing platform like Upwork and Fiverr. And freelancer are great place to start. Create a professional profile, highlight the service you offer, and start applying for a small gigs. Don't be afraid to start a small. Every job adds to your credibility. Free resources. LinkedIn Learning offer a free trial and a range of courses on a VA skill. It's a great place to start tracking your learning. Now step number 5. As a VA, your online presence is your storefront. Make it count. Here is how you can set your business in 2025. Create a professional profile. Update your LinkedIn profile and create a simple portfolio website that showcases your service, skill, and testimonial. You can use a free tool like Wix to create one-page website quickly. Nail your branding. Create a brand name logo. You can use Canva for free and ensure your social media profile look professional and consistent. Strong branding helps attract clients. Offer package instead of hourly rate. By 2025, clients prefer clear service package, so consider offering a bundle service at a flat rate. This gives you more control over your time in earning. Now free resources. Well, WordPress offer a free basic plan perfect for setting your VA website. You can also use a blogger.com where you can create a free blog. Now step number 7. The next step is to finding the client. Here's how you can do it. Freelancing platform. Start with Upwork or Fiverr. Ensure your profile is optimized with the right keyword to attract clients. Apply for a job that match your skill. Social media and networking. Join the Facebook group or LinkedIn. Communicate related to a small business and entrepreneurship. Networking and offering a free advice in this community can attract clients. Cold outreach. Identify local businesses or startup that may need your service. Craft personalized message offering your VA service and how you can help them. Now free resources. Google My Business is a free and can help you to get found online by local businesses. Number 7. Once you secure a few clients, it's time to think about scaling your VA business. Here how you can grow your VA career in 2025. Outsource. As your client base grow, consider outsourcing tasks to other VA to focus on a higher value work. Raising your rate as you gain experience, increase your rate to reflect the quality of your work. Continue learning. Stay updated with the new tool and train to keep your skill relevant in the demand. Now conclusion, becoming a virtual assistant in 2025 is more attainable than ever, and with the right skill and strategy and resources, you can start a profitable VA business today. Remember, even if you are starting from the scratch, there are a ton of resources and opportunity to learn and grow. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other video where I dive deeper into the skill like data entry, web research, and lead generation. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.